YouTube was good job. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. Alright. We got something right here, shiny, you feel me? Something that we're gonna unbox here on Tech Realism. I know this video is long overdue, but we got the 2024 M4 MacBook Pro right here, sitting right here. Okay, we got this in a space gray. Is this space gray or space black? Let me see. I think I don't see where it says it, but I think it might be the space gray. I'm not sure. We gonna see. I'm pretty sure the space gray. All right. Now this thing right here, this bad boy right here, has 16 gigabytes of unified memory, 512 gigabytes of SSD, and the price tag. This is gonna run you about 1200. Okay, this is gonna cost you 1200. All right, Apple taxes. All right, Apple is gonna tax you. Okay, it's not gonna be cheap. But we about to unbox this thing and peep the specs and compare it to the last year model. Okay, to see if it's certified real tech, if Apple's really leveling up, or are they selling us dreams right here? Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the box. Okay, MacBook Pro, as you guys can see right here. There's the Apple logo right here as well. So yeah, we gonna rip the pull tags. Okay, these are pretty big because it's a MacBook, you feel me? So we gonna start ripping this open. Alright, before we get into the video, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. Alright, so yeah, we gonna rip this apart. Like so. That's satisfying, you feel me? Let's do it right here as well. There you go, YouTube. So we're gonna flip this over. This is first impression unboxing as well. Boom. All right, and you're greeted right here. Okay, you're greeted right here with the MacBook. Okay, so boom. So I think this is the space gray right here. Oh damn, sheesh, this looks so nice. So this does not look gray. This do look like it's black. I can't really tell. I'm so bad at telling what color this is. I think this is space black, if I'm not mistaken. All right, let me know down below. But we're gonna put this to the side, and we kind of want to see. Okay, let's put this right here, and we kind of want to see what's inside the box. Okay, all right. So inside the box, obviously there was the MacBook Pro. You feel me? Now, what's inside the box? You got a braided USB Type-C cable right here. Okay, Type-C to Mag 3 cable right here. So you still got that premium braided cable that feels durable enough to, you know, whatever you're trying to do with this feels durable. It's not like those, like, you know, those flimsy, you know, cables that Apple used to make. Nah, this feels pretty strong, braided. Okay, we love to see that, you feel me? Type-C, as you guys can see, to Mag 3. All right, so let's see right here, the manuals, I'm assuming. All right, so little instructions right here, comes in the box. Okay, some more manual instructions. I think that's essentially it. Okay, so that's what's inside of here. There gotta be something else in here. Nah, I'm tripping. I'm tripping, that's it. And of course, no stickers, you feel me? Because, you know, Apple's trying to go all ergonomic on us. They want to save the world go all green, okay? And right here, as you guys can see, okay, right here is the 140 watt power brick right here, okay? So, you know what I'm saying? Yup, it's still chunky, but it gets the job done. It's not as chunky as the previous versions, but it's still pretty chunky. Alright, gets the job done fast. You feel me? Apple must have gotten the memo that we don't like slow charging in 2024, 2025, okay? And yeah, that's it, guys. No stickers, no dongles, no extra stuff. Alright, Apple is giving us the bare minimum and calling it a gift. Alright, so there's nothing else in here. Alright, so yeah, let's get into the specs real quick. Alright, so the specs when it comes to this MacBook. Hold on, I forgot to open it up. You feel me? Hold on, there you go. As you guys can see, oh, looks fantastic. How do you take this off? Man, I suck at unboxing MacBooks. How do you take off this thing right here? Okay, there you go. Boom. YouTube.
To use English as the main language, press
All
the
right.
return key.
Okay, well, stop talking. Okay. So, this is the space black, okay, that we got over here. I don't know why I thought it was gray for a second, but it's black. It's obviously black. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Okay, I am tripping. But what's inside of this MacBook, you might ask yourself? Well, this has the M4 chip, okay, 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, okay, supercharged for multitasking, for creative work, okay. Apple is still flexing their silicone game up in here, okay. Now this, in terms of memory, RAM, this is a 16 gigabyte unified memory, okay, perfect for smooth app switching, again, multitasking, okay. This is the base model. The base model has now 16 gigabyte of RAM. It's no longer 8 gigabyte of RAM, but 16, okay. You got a 512 gigabyte SSD, okay, respectable, okay. But Apple gotta stop acting like we don't need more storage in 2024, okay? Like the base models nowadays should have like at least a 1 terabyte, because I don't know if you don't have 1 terabyte, I don't know what you're doing with your life, okay? They gotta stop acting like we don't need more storage in 2024, 2025, okay? Now this has a 14.2 inch liquid retina, okay, XDR display. So let me take a look at the box right here. Is it 14 inch? Yeah, it is 14 inch. You just gotta make sure that I'm giving you the accurate information. So what does that mean? Well, this is bright as heck, okay. 1,600 nits are packed in this brightness, okay. Well, I guess I gotta set this up to really show you what I'm talking about. But this thing is bright, so you know, if you need a, you know what I'm saying, if you're working in the outside or inside or whatever, you good. You can see the screen and you're good, all right? So ain't nobody gonna be squinting their eyes when they're looking at the screen, okay? It don't matter what angle you look at it, you ain't squinting.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called.
Okay, yeah, we get it. Okay, not now. Okay, just leave me alone real quick. All right. So yeah, so the camera has a 12 megapixel centered stage camera. All right, crystal clear for FaceTime, or if you want to look cute on Zoom. You feel me? And then there's 3 studio quality mics and 6 speakers. All right, so spatial audio is supported for that surround sound type flex. You feel me? So yeah, that's what we got in here, and that's what we're packing in here. Let me just set this up real quick. I kind of want to see how it looks like real quick. All right. So you might be asking yourself, well, how does this compare to the last year M3 MacBook Pro model? Well, obviously, for one, there's obviously the M4 chip, okay? So obviously that's the headline nowadays. All right, faster, more efficient. You know, Apple says. You know, that's what Apple says. You feel me? So more cores, less problems. You feel me? The space black color option is new now. All right, this new shade got me feeling like some, you know, it got me feeling some type of way. I mean, look at this thing, man. It got me feeling some type of way. Like, look how beautiful this is. All right, like space black over silver, all day, every day. You feel me? All day, every day. Okay, and what else is there? Same braided cable. You feel me? In terms of the cable, exactly the same. Okay, the cable is exactly the same. Nothing has changed. So yeah. So if it, you know, I mean, it's better than what Mac. You know those white cables that Mac used to have. Yeah, it's way better than that. Let's just say that. Okay, and then same display aspect ratio. Okay, the ports. Let's take a look at the ports. I don't know if y'all can really see that. But yeah, the ports, man, it's kind of hard to see. Hold on. Let me just move my light right here. All right, there you go. That's the ports right here. Okay. So same ports and battery life. No big changes here. Okay. And obviously, you guys saw there's a audio jack as well. All right. And yo, look how bright this screen goes. Look at this. There's nit brightness right here. Look at that. Look at that. Hey, look. I'm looking at from any angle, guys. From any angle, this thing is fully bright. Like you could clearly see. It don't matter what angle you're looking at. Oh, okay. Maybe not from this angle, but basically from any angle, you can really see the screen. Okay. So yeah, guys. So here's the vibe. All right. My final thoughts. Okay. If you got the M3 from last year, okay, this upgrade is not mandatory unless you need that extra power and you want to really stunt that space black. If you really want to stunt that space black, hey, say no more. Okay? But if you're coming from an older version, this MacBook is straight fire. Okay, I'll get into that. I'll show you more of the performance and stuff like that. But hey, it's fire. It's premium. It feels premium. You know what I'm saying? Powerful. And it's going to last you a hot minute. Let's just say that. Okay? All right, fam. So that's the unboxing. That's the first impressions. We're going to make some more videos about this MacBook M4. Okay? So make sure to hit that like button. Comment down below. And tell me, are you copying or are you passing on this one? Okay? So yeah, YouTube, stay real, stay techie, and hey, don't let these companies hustle you out of your coins. Okay? So we out. Well, if it's Apple, they're obviously going to do that. But yeah, anyways, we out. Peace.